Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a download button in Google Sites. So first, in here in insert section you will find buttons here. So let me create a download button first. So I'm going to create a download button here. So tap on the button and name it like download. And in the link section is pretty much important thing that you follow that. So be alert that I'm going to show you the step about creating the download link. So the button will work to download that resource that you have associated with that button, or you want to associate with that button. Now you have to enter the resource, you have to upload the resource in your Google Drive like this. So you can just upload that. You can just tap on new and you can upload the file that you want to share with someone, that one can just download that file. For example, I'm going to get this contact informations here, or I'm going to add this doc here. So I'm going to rename it like top 10 um, technology that you should try. And yes, I have this is a file of that actually. So I'm going to tap on OK, and it has to rename it. So I want to share this docs with my traffic that are on my site, that they can just download it without any hassle or any type of redirection loop, so or any type of ad loop. So I want them to download it directly. But and so that you just need to tap on this plus man icon here, and now you just need to copy the link and set the general access to anyone with the link. After that, you just need to tap on done button here, and as you can see, I have just copied the link here. Now the important thing is here in the notepad, here it is. So make sure you have just let me show you. So make sure that you have just copied this link from the screen. I suggest you to pause the screen right now, pause the video, and note that link from here. So after note that link, you can just copy and paste it here, and I'm going to paste. Then you can just paste your drive link. Here it is. Now when you paste the drive link, you will find the source here, that google.com/document. So it is a type of document, and the file location, the D disk actually, it has saved in my D disk. And here you will find a code here. So this is actually the file code that will that has been stored, that documents data in this code, so that Google can just redirect or recognize that file easily. So you have to copy that ID here, and you have to paste it to this link here after that equal sign. Now just like this. Now you have to copy this link from here that we have just created, and you just need to paste it in this link here. So tap on insert here, and here you can see I have just placed a download button here. So if I just place it at the middle, and just like this. So if someone just click on the download button, they can just download the doc file that I have just associated with this download button here. Now I can just customize a little bit, like I'm going to add a text box here like this. Not here actually, I'm going to add it like here, top 10 technology. Let me complete this page here, that you should try. And here it is. So I'm going to place it, align it at the mid side. So I'm going to also align it actually into this, now at the mid side here. Now the size of this letter here. So I'm going to adjust it like this and give it bold here, and I'm going to just change the color of this link here, so just like this, not here actually. Select it, and I'm going to select that name here. So that's like, so anyone can download this file from here if someone did tap on the download button. Now don't forget to publish your site after completing adding a download button. So when tap on publish, tap on publish again. After that you can just go to your sites again, then tap on the download button here and tap on view published site here, and then you will find the published site that you have published here. So you can see the text with the download button here. Now if someone tap on download, then it will just load a little bit, but it's not currently working. So if it's not working, then you can just fix it. Let me show you how you can fix it. Let me check it. Actually there's a mistake that I have just embedded the doc file. That's why it's not working. Actually you can't download a Google Doc file or Google Sheet file. So you can actually download the Microsoft Excel file or Microsoft Word file, that Google Docs and Google Sheet doesn't allow you to download that file, or you can actually download it, you can just share it between person to person. So that's why it's enabling showing that unable to download. So here I have just added a file again. So I have just do the same thing, just like the same thing. I have just select the file here. Now it is file here. Actually you can see that was document and it is the file type right now. So then you can just select the file code and you have to paste it here. Then you have to copy all of this and paste it to the link section, then tap on update button and click on publish, and then you can just tap on view published site, where after publishing the site, then here you can see the download button here. If I tap on download, then it will just take a short loading, and you can see it has just downloaded the image just from this download button. So that's how you can just add a download button on your Google sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.